Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the introduction of subject metrology and quality control. This subject belongs to mechanical department of Savitribai Phule Pune University for semester 1. Today we are going to see the introduction of subject. First, see the syllabus designed by the SPPU Pune. This syllabus is for TE Mechanical and TE Automobile course. Course code for this subject 302045 and course name is Metrology and Quality Control. Now we all know teaching scheme is now credits. Theory lecture per hour are 3 and practical of 2 hours per week is 1 for one batch. Examination scheme, if we see, for INSEM there is 30 mark weightage, for ENSEM there is a 70 mark weightage, and there is also external oral for this subject. So this is the course introduction related to the exam and lectures in the week, lectures and practicals in the week. Before going to start any subject, one should know the objective of course. So by learning this course, students are expected to select suitable instrument, gauge, method of inspection for determining geometrical and dimensional measurements, calibrate measuring instruments and also design inspection gauges, understand the advances in metrology such as use of CMM, laser machine, vision system for metrology, etc. Select and apply appropriate quality control technique for given application. Select and apply appropriate quality management tool and suggest appropriate quality management system, that is QMS. So these are the 5 course objective. Now outcomes, course outcome of this course. The student should be able to understand the methods of measurement, selection of measuring instruments, standards of measurement, carry out data collection and its analysis. Second, explain tolerance, limits of size, fits, geometric and position tolerances and gauge design. Understand and use, apply quality control techniques or statistical tool appropriately. Develop an ability of problem solving and decision making by identifying and analyzing cause for variation and recommend suitable corrective action for quality improvement. So these are the course outcome. After you completing the course, you should get the following outcome from this course. Now moving towards the course contents, this course is divided into total 6 units. In that, first unit is measurement standards and design of gauges. Unit second, comparators, thread and gear metrology, surface roughness measurement. Third unit is advances in metrology. Unit fourth is introduction to quality and quality tools. And unit 5, statistical quality control. And last unit, that is unit number 6, is total quality management. If we see the course contents, you should know that first 3 units are related to metrology and last 3 units, that is unit number 4 to 6, are related to quality control. So syllabus is divided into 2 parts. First 3 units for metrology and another 3 units for quality control. Which are the book recommended by the university for this subject? First we will see the textbook. First, author Jain R.K. The name of book is Engineering Metrology and the publication name is Khanna Publication. Second textbook, author IC Gupta. Title of book, Engineering Metrology, and the publication is Dhanpat Rai publication. Third book, Beur and Kulkarni VA, Metrology and Measurement, publication Tata McGraw-Hill. Fourth, Juron Jayam, Quality Handbook, McGraw-Hill publication. And last textbook, Grant SP, Statistical Quality Control, Tata McGraw-Hill publication. So while learning this subject, you should refer this textbook. There are some also reference book for this subject which are recommended. First book, Narayana KL, Engineering Metrology. Second, Glare Jeff Schwold, CR Metrology for Engineers. So you will get these all book from your syllabus. Total 10 reference books are recommended for this syllabus. This subject, Metrology and Quality Control, also have practicals or laboratory experiments which are very essential to understand this subject practically, because while measuring any quantity you should actually know its practical performance. So that purpose the university designed the total 10 experiments. Out of that, experiment number 1, 4 and 6 are mandatory, and from the rest perform any 3 experiment from 2 to 5 and any 3 experiment from 7 to 10. First experiment is demonstration of linear and angular measuring instrument, slip gauges and their applications. Second experiment is error determination of linear angular measuring instruments and determination of linear and angular dimension of given part. Third, calibration of measuring instrument, for example dial gauge, micrometer, vernier, anyone. For experiment number 4, verification of dimension and geometry of given components using mechanical pneumatic comparator. Fifth experiment is machine tool alignment testing on machine tool, lathe, drilling or milling machine. Experiment number 6, demonstration of surface inspection using optical flat interferometers, demonstration of surface roughness measurement using surface roughness tester. Experiment number 7, determination of geometry and dimension of given composite object, single point tool using profile projector and toolmaker microscope. Experiment number 8, measurement of thread parameters using floating carriage diameter measurement machine. And ninth experiment, measurement of spur gear parameters using gear tooth vernier, span micrometer, gear rolling tester. And experiment number 10, determination of given geometry using coordinate measuring machine, that is CMM. And part B for practical is related to statistical quality control, and first part is related to the metrology. In that part B, use of computational tools such as Minitab, MATLAB, MS Excel are recommended. They are university given total 3 experiments under statistical quality control. In that, first, analyze the fault in the given batch of specimen by using 7 quality control tools for engineering applications. Submission of this assignment using standard formats. Determination of process capability from given components and plot variable control, chart attribute chart. And third, case study on tools in total quality management, TQM. There is one industrial visit for this subject. Industry visit can be arranged for any calibration lab, quality control lab, CMM lab or gear inspection unit or unit of automotive industry, quality control unit of automotive industry or engineering industry. So this is the subject prerequisite or introduction of subject. Before going to start the unit, today we have seen the all syllabus related, exam related, course objective, course outcomes, and the which books, textbook and reference books are to be used for this subject. As the subject name is metrology and quality control, you should know before learning to this subject, metrology is the science of measurement and quality is used to check that requirement have been fulfilled. So In next lecture, we will going to start the first unit. Thank you.